Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the Alesis 88 key piano keyboard. This keyboard is the new toy in our house. Everybody absolutely loves it. We really like it because it has weight keys. So it has the feeling of an actual piano, which we really like. The quality of the sound in the speakers is excellent, but if you want to practice on your own and be quiet for everyone else in the house, there is an option so you can connect your headphones to it. The quality of the materials in this piano is excellent. You can feel right away that is a very well made piano, but at the same time, it's very light that you can move it around rooms. So if you want to start learning piano, I think this is a great keyboard to start, and that is my point of view.